Hey guys, welcome back to Deja's Empire. As you all can see down below, I am doing a cooking video for you all tonight, so stay tuned. And if you all are new to my channel, please take the time out to subscribe. Thank you.
So right here we're adding in the rice so that it could be finished by the time we're done cooking the rest of the food. So stay tuned. Here we are chopping up the chicken into chunks and preparing it for seasoning and cooking. So yeah, stay tuned. Be seasoning the chicken in the next clip. You can use any seasoning that you like for your chicken, but just stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks. So here is where we heated the canola oil and butter mixture together to add in our garlic slices or garlic cubes, whatever you want to call it. And then we let it saute for a little while, and then we added in our chicken and we went from there. The chicken was cooking really fast, so we decided to turn the eye down to a medium, and then we went on to season the shrimp. We added a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the shrimp and chicken mixture. Now we're adding in the broccoli to the mixture, and we're going to let that cook, simmer, and do what it do. Period. In this clip, we're adding in our General Tso honey and soy sauce mixture to the shrimp, chicken, and broccoli. So yeah, stay tuned.